Okay, today we've got 2 guinea pigs here, and tonight is chocolate tasting. We have a selection of chocolates. The flavors are unknown and everything is just numbered. There are 6 flavors and 4 of each. And the 2 participants, Reino and Elzay, they will score the flavor and the taste, the overall taste of the chocolates for tonight, and they are going to use the cheese as a palate cleanser. So each one has got a toothpick that they will use to eat the cheese with in between, and they've also got water to help with the palate cleansing. Okay, so let's go. Let's start with number 1. Reino, you can dish it out. Do they open up easy enough? In the meanwhile, while they are opening up, I just want to mention that these chocolates comes from Tjaart Booyens' factory, and we are going to give you his number at the end, so you can contact him if you need some nice chocolates. Okay, you don't have to eat eat that with a toothpick. So, okay, number 1, go for it. Okay, they're going to score it in a percentage out of 100. Elzay, what is your verdict? For 1. Her verdict is mama. Right now is in heaven.
85.
85. That one is 85. I think that's a sensible number, dependent on, in comparison with the others. I think it can go up and 90. We've got a 90.
I know why. It's white chocolate. She likes white chocolate. I don't.
Ah, okay, fantastic. Okay, clean the palate, Elzay. No puking. Okay, are the palate neutral? He's just hungry. Okay, coolness. Number 2, please. Number 2. I just want to mention that this chocolate tasting is because of Elzay, that is turning 21. And these are the chocolates that's going to be put on her plates. So, hence the reason for the tasting. This is what it will look like. Beautifully presented. Okay, number 2. Number 2. That's a serious face. Okay.
I'm not a fan.
There's a score coming up. There's a score coming up, and it's going to look like a 60%er. Elzay, what's it gonna be? 30%. Oh, number 2. They will probably need to retaste number 2 at this stage. Okay, fantastic. Clean the palate. Okay. Elzay, are you happy that your palate is neutral? Fantastic. Okay, and in the meantime, we've got a spectator. This is like the referee. If they start a fight, she will stop it.
No,
Number
it's supposed to be 60%.
Number three. Rhino, do us the honors. Number 3. Okay, and let it rip. Oh, lovely. I can see they love this one. They love this
Ooh,
one.
that's sweet.
Oh.
This one is sweet.
Okay. Looks like they love it.
You can come.
Caramel.
Caramel. Okay. Right. And there's a score coming. There's a score coming. It's a 42%er. Whoa. And what is this? Can we go lower than 3? Oh, no. At 3%.
Disgusting.
Okay. Clean the palate.
It's caramel. I've never liked caramel growing up. Never will.
Okay. Right. If the pallets are neutralized, are you ready? We are halfway through. Number 4, I know. Do us the honors.
I'm afraid of this one because it's green, and that means it might be mint.
Ah, no fear, man. No fear. Come on. Show your muscle, man. Show your muscle. Me, not you. Okay, guys. No puking. No puking. Take it down. Take it down. Oh, he loves it. He loves it. It's probably spinach flavor. The green can be spinach. He loves spinach.
I love spinach, but this is not spinach. No.
Okay.
No.
Okay, there comes a score. There comes a score. What's it gonna be? 19%. Elzay, do the honors. One year. Okay, I guess she will not. She Look at that face. Look at that face. Okay, she won't go for that one. Right. Palette cleanser. Elzay,
Already did.
you did. Are you happy with your palette?
I think so.
Neutral. Is it neutral?
Yes.
Show us the chisels. Not the tongue, the chisels. Okay. All right.
I might need new water.
I'll finish this up.
Rhino, in the meantime, do us the honors. Number 5, please.
Blue. It will be interesting.
Okay, on the count. 1, 2, 3. Take it out. What's happening? What's happening? There's okay. There's okay there. Oh, and there's a little smile. Just a teeny weeny one. Ah, and there's a score coming. 75%. Fantastic. What's it gonna be? Oh, there's a 50%. That's not too bad. Oh, and there's the puking. Wait for it. It's happening. It's happening. It's not happening.
Just the water.
Okay, and the last one. The final one. Number 6, Rhino. Do us the honors. Are your palate cleansed?
I believe so.
You are happy. You did your cheese thing? Oh, fantastic. Reino, on the count. Take it down. 1, 2, 3. What's happening there?
I thought I was second.
I get a nod on the right hand side. 100%. Oh wow, we've got a number. And what does the lady say? The lady say 10%. What? She missed the zero there. Okay, so in retrospect, are there any one of those 6 chocolates that you would like to make sure of? Maybe just to confirm a score?
Nah.
This one says that she's happy. And it looks as though there's definitely going to be some number 1s being manufactured in Tjaart's chocolate factory.
I might reconsider 2 and 3. And maybe 1 as well.
Number 2 and number 3 and number 1, just for good luck.
Just to see.
Just for fun.
Since I've had all the others, what does this number change into in case?
I think that is good. Maybe Elzay could consider just redo a number 1, because now she can make a comparative taste.
Or maybe Elsa is very happy.
Maybe Elsa know what you want.
Maybe Elzay knows exactly what she wants. You can confirm if you need to. Okay, right now that's the number 1. Okay. Oh, now it's horrible. What does Elzay say?
Cheese is good.
Ah.
No, I think it wasn't fair.
Would you like to change your score? 86 goes up slightly.
It was fair.
Okay.
I think.
Number 2.
I don't think I was far off with my first assessment.
Just 1% off. A meager 1% off. That was a 2, right? No? What does your 60% feel like now?
I think it stays the same.
Exactly the same. Elzay, maybe you should try number 4. Just saying.
Number 4 is 0%. For a reason.
Maybe you would like to rethink it.
There's no after dinner mints for the guests.
What do you say?
No doubt.
What's it gonna be? 40%.
Flat 40.
Flat 40 this time. Flat 40. And can we say that we are going for number 1 and number 6? Are we good with that?
No.
No.
She only wants number
Number 1.
Number 1 is number
I'm not
1.
sure if I'm correct, but number 6 was a coffee one.
What?
Yes, it was. I do not like coffee.
And you
I
did,
drink tea.
somehow you did not score at 0. So I think the verdict is that you are an undercover coffee fanatic.
No.
Yes, yes. No cheating. Okay. Thank you guys for your participation, and please consider supporting Tjaart's new chocolate factory.
Handmade chocolate.
Handmade chocolate. Each chocolate is made by hand. Thank you, Tjaart.